None of us know what tomorrow will bring. You could go for a routine medical and find that you've got a diagnosis of cancer. You could end up having a heart attack, a stroke. Old age today is becoming more and more likely that you will have some form of chronic disease. Do you want this to be your future? I know I don't, and I don't want it for you either. I'm Pam Lob, author of Beyond Hot and Crazy, A Radical Guide to Living Well with Menopause, and a Health Genie. And I really want to help you make health your number one asset so that you're healthy no matter what your age. Age is just a number on your birth certificate. How you feel is what counts. At 20, 30, 40, you can feel really old and crippled and in pain. I know in my 30s I felt ancient. Today, in my late 50s, I'm feeling absolutely fantastic. I have more vitality, more energy. My health is better than any other time in my adult life. And I really want to share with you how I've turned my life around so that you can feel great, feel fantastic, full of joy and health and vitality, no matter what your age, for the whole of your life. So come and join me at the Best You on the 16th of February at 12 noon for my talk on ageing youthfully. So no matter how old you are, it's so important that you start taking care of your health. And this talk is for everybody. As I say, I turned my life, I felt so much more old at 30 than I do today. So come and hear me, come and find out some great tips to make sure that you can live a life that you deserve, of joy and health and vitality. So no matter what happens tomorrow, you've done your best, I've had a fantastic life, and you've made memories for those who left behind. So please come along to my talk. I'm looking forward to meeting you and helping you make the most of your life so you're going to feel fantastic every day. So please, no matter what your age, what your health conditions, please come along and let me support you in having a fantastic life. Hope to meet you on the 16th of February. Bye for now.